excellence sa mga projects na. Okay, so that was my work. Let me tell you about my projects. Keep in mind that, kinukwento ko to kasi gusto kong baka pwede nyo pagdaanan din eh. Kasi, alam nyo nun, parang grade school ako. Tama, grade school, grade 5. Actually, dito sa Saudi. Galit na galit ako pag sinasabihin ng bata ka pa. Bata ka pa, hindi mo pa kaya yan. Ha? Teka, parang, bakit? Ba't hindi ko kayang aralin? Ba't hindi ko kayang gawin? Ba't kailangan ko maging matanda? Kamay lang naman yung kailangan. Mata lang naman yung kailangan. Bakit hindi? So, galit ako sa mga taong nagsasabi ng bata ka pa. Nung time na yan. Ngayon galit ako pag sinasabihin ng maliit ka pa. Para tumama na. And so, ganun din sa inyo. And I'm proud of those students that are trying to excel in what they want to do in life at this early stage. Sana tuloy nyo. If somebody's stopping you, make a way. Mag-aral. Kumita ng konting pera, pambili ng kung anong resources nyo, whatever, in a good way. Okay? Always do it in a good way. Okay? So, let me tell you about my projects. Teka, may time pa ako. Oh my. Okay, so I have 3 minutes. Ang dami ko po kwento. So, I was part of the Google project. I was fortunate enough to be contacted by local officers here in the Philippines from Google. And ito, cool na project to. It's called Project Spacecast. Back then, it was confidential huwag daw ipagsabi. Pero ngayon, they released a commercial version na, so pwede rin kwento. So, Project Spacecast was trying to localize, alam niyo YouTube, di ba? Sino nag-YouTube dito? Taas na pa. So, di ba may buffering tayo? Load, lalo na pag 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours na video, buffering eh. So ngayon, we're attempting to get rid of the barrier ng latency. Latency is the delay of data transfer just because of something else. No? So from here to here, may nagde-delay sa kanya. Nagpapatagal. Okay? So, gusto namin, 1 hour, 2 hours, 7 hours, pag-load mo ng video, 1 second, loaded na. So we were attempting to do that in Project Spacecast, and we did. I was assigned to the Davao, University of Davao, para i-test yung campus nila dun sa setup namin. Some of my colleagues were sent to Cebu, to different, Lasal, Ateneo, sa Manila. So, they were guinea pigs of the Project Spacecast. So, anyway, we did that. Yung mga, isipin nyo na lang yung mga most downloaded videos, imbis na naka-host sa Google mismo, sa California. Meron kami tinatawag na Squid server na nandun na lang nakaload within the school yung mga popular videos. So, pag na-detect nilang popular video doon, huwag ka nang lumabas. Dito ka na lang sa local server mo. And yes, it took 1-2 seconds to load a 7-hour video. So, after that, we pushed it to in making this an appliance. So it's called now a YouTube accelerator. So you can Google it, you can buy it. Medyo mahal na 25,000 yan. Pero that's for the whole So anyway, so these are my projects. I made the Bukuwa text broadcasting system. system na makuha. Cardinal Trust yung identification system na makuha. Protofis, hospital information system ng ProtoDev ng company ko. ProtoPOS, the point of sale system yung ginagamit sa mga cash registers. ProtoStore, that will be launched by next year, pero ginagawa niya. And the Lexi voice command, pen gesture control, wireless pneumatic robotic arm. Okay, voice control kasi voice. Pen gesture kasi pag tablet with pen, pag binanon mo, gagawin din yung robotic arm. Then wireless kasi kahit nandun siya 15 meters away, kaya niya mag-respond through voice and through pen gestures. Then pneumatic kasi gumamit siya ng pneumatic valves. Have you heard of pneumatic valves? Yung mga cylinders na parang sa bus, pagbukas ng pinto ng bus, yung bsh, bsh, yun yung mga pneumatic valves. So I use that for the robotic arm. Okay, so that's that. And sign, okay, mga, alam nyo yung LED na if you just line it up straight in one line, then make it go around really fast. You can form graphics or messages. Just one line of LED, tapos lagay nyo sa pa-letter L ng motor, make it really fast, then control yung blinking ng lights. So iba yung blink dito, blink dito, blink dito, blink dito, blink dito, blink dito. When you control that, you can form letter A, B, C, whatever, a globe. So that's what the science Ferricon LED display does. Line trackers, mga mobots, small mobots na pag inano ng electrical. When you put electrical tape sa floor, then you put the mobot on that line, it will follow that line. So those are called line trackers. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, foot measuring device. Pasok mo yung paa mo, measure yung paa mo, then it would get a shoe that fits, shoe in the inventory that fits your foot. UST diploma printer. Yung nag-print ng diploma ngayon ng UST. It's 8 pages per second. So, isipin nyo, ganun kabilis na diploma printing. 8 diplomas in 1 second. So, can you figure kayo sa UST? And it includes an invisible ink. When you put it on black light, may insignia and barcode sa diploma nila. So, I was the first one to have cum laude diploma in UST. Kasi yung test print ko. Anyway, so, doctorate pa rin. Okay, fire safety robot, alert and motion detectors, broadcasting system for sorters, third lining robot, automatic wall painter. I did all of this. Yo-yo lights, activated electric fan, and many more daw. May mga 3 pages parang hindi ko na i-include, pero and many more. So, yun, sobrang gusto kong laging gumagawa ng projects. And minsan tinatanggap ko yung project without any know-how to do that project. Pinu-force ko yung sarili ko na, sige, tanggapin ko. Pero yung budget na binigay sa akin, hindi pa aaral ko. Binigyan ako ng biglang libro. Binigyan ako ng down payment. Bibili ako ng maraming resistors, LEDs, para pag-experimentohin ko lang. Susunugin ko, hanggang experimentohin ko yung, hanggang makuha ko yung gusto nila. Wala akong pakialam muna sa kikitain ko or what. I just want to learn. I hope you guys do that also. Yun yung message ko lang dito. And, I think, okay, so I did this, yan yung mga, well, to summarize lang ito, I won some prizes, first, second, third prize winner for some competition. IEEE, I think, recognized through electrical engineering, IEEE. That's an international organization. So, ayun, I won the national champion for 2006, second, third. I always want to join contest using my prototype. So sana ganun din kayo, be proud of what you create. Okay lang nung nag-third ako, sumali pa rin ako the next year, naging second. Sumali ako the next year, yun, naging first na. So yun, tuwa na ako. Anyway, so, hindi ko na kwento yun. I'm running out of time. Okay, eto pa. Summarize ko na lang dito. Sino dito mahilig sa music? Yun. Gumana rin. Okay. Playing instruments or singing? Singing? Guitar? Drums. Okay. Guitar, violin? Anyway, so, I really give significance sa arts kasi it contributes to your design in what you do. You release your feelings, you release your kahit hindi sa sarili mo, sa clients, sa magiging future clients nyo, dapat maganda sa paningin nila. And through music and designing or arts, if you hone that sa character nyo, mas mapapaganda yung produkto nyo. Hindi lang basta functional prototype na it does the job, pero it doesn't look good. So it comes with that. So, yun lang yun. If you have activities that can really make you better at that, go ahead, join that group, join that activity. Kung masaya kayo music, playing guitar, drums, singing, rocking, laptop. Anyway, so ayan, I did some compositions. I made songs for ones who needed. So maka-tao, maka-company. So I did song. No? Anyway, so that's that. Yun yung tip ko lang sa inyo. Okay, and this is all about okay Papa. So yes, 1 minute. Okay. So, ang dami ko kasi gusto ko sa inyo. Ang dami ko share sa inyo, natutuwa ko sa inyo. So, okay, tips and development. Tips and development. Okay, kaya to, 1 minute. Okay. In robotics, there are 3 aspects. Lagi. There's the software side, there's electronic side, and there's that mechatronic side or mechanical side. Okay? If you want to do robotics, ito advice ko sa inyo. Take up electrical engineering or electronics, and ito kung kaya nyo lang, you self-teach yourself for software development kasi available sa internet lahat ng tutorials on how to use a programming language. If you can self-teach yourself, then pagsamahin yung natutunan nyo sa school and yung self-taught programming language nyo, pagsamahin nyo and learn some mechanical stuff, you really can create your own robot. Whatever, life size, miniature size, Lego Mindstorms nga, they have it. And you just play with it, diba? And it works. So you just convert that into a larger scale with motors. I really want to expand on this, but I'm running out of time. So, there. Yeah, if you don't know If you don't know something but you want to learn it, i-google nyo. Yun lang yun. Google nyo, ask the right questions, and you'll get the right answers. Yun yung tip ko sa inyo. Minsan keywords lang kayo eh. Hindi, be specific. If you want to learn something, you will learn it, just ask the right questions. Okay. So, I shared you my adventure, I shared you my journey into technology. Ang dami ko pang na-miss out na kwento, pero right now, just create your own, starting now, you create your own technological adventures. And if you're going to learn electronics, you should learn first the concept of switches. The first switch that you should learn to turn on is the inventors in you. I know you guys want to do something. Kahit hindi kayo mag-acknowledge, I know that may gusto kayong gawin. So, i-push nyo na yan kahit hindi nyo ipakita. Gawin nyo sa sarili nyo. Okay? Then, okay, last thing. Can you guys please raise your right hand and repeat after me? I state your name. Do hereby solemnly swear that I shall use my knowledge, skills, and character for technology advancement and for the good of mankind. I shall always bring out the best in me, and I shall always turn away from the dark side.